With the increasing amount of interconnected smart devices and wireless communications in the world, electromagnetic radiation is becoming more and more prevalent in almost every airspace. This phenomenon is often referred to as electrosmog or electropollution. And while invisible and usually undetectable by the average person, this type of pollution is causing major problems for everyone, especially those with electro-hypersensitivity, not to mention its impacts on our environment and technology itself.
Electropollution is the electromagnetic interference that comes from any device that's connected to electricity. In mainly wireless devices are producing more electropollution with the wireless signals, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cell phones. You have a cell phone and you make a call. After 2 hours, there is biological studies that shows that it's going to produce DNA fragmentation. It's going to alter your nervous system, your brain activity, heart rate variability. And long term, there is an issue with premature aging, and there is an issue with the potential higher risk of cancer and higher risk of infertility. And environmental effects is going to alter the migration of birds, and there is a link to potential risks of extinction of bees.
Our cells are constantly attacked in stable and reactive molecules called free radicals. Oxidative stress is a term in which our internal antioxidant defense system is overwhelmed by an excessive production of free radicals. Oxidative stress has been linked with more than 75 health conditions, including brain, eyes, ears, heart, the skin, and is the root of any diseases. Electro-hypersensitivity is a condition characterized by non-specific symptoms which affected individuals attribute to EMF exposure. Some common symptoms are headaches, brain fog, sleeping disorders, ringing in the ears or tinnitus, noise sensitivity, skin rashes, etc.
During the course of hundreds of environmental studies on the impacts of electropollution, one company emerged with the sole purpose of reducing electrosmog and developing a solution to this ever-growing problem. Noxtac's electro-clean filter technology, Spiro, is paving the way for safer and healthier standards. If organizations around the globe can make the same commitment to greener protocols, Noxtac can help secure a healthier future for humans and nature alike.
I'm an engineer who developed electro-hypersensitivity with common symptoms like headaches, chronic fatigue, poor quality sleep, and I was trying to find a solution. That was the original motivation behind Noxtac.
Noxtac is a green tech company. We have a patent technology in nanotech focused in neutralize electropollution. We produce filters that are able to neutralize any of this interference. We have electropollutions related to EMF from artificial sources. What we do with our technology is we change the polarity in the fields to behave like natural environments. And with that, we produce electrosmog-free environments.
All the problems can be related with electropollution. And now we are promoting a global census initiative to help more people suffering from this condition.
The result of a collaboration of scientists and health professionals around the globe, Noxtac continues working towards a safer, greener way to use technology. Recognizing the technological revolution isn't going to stop or slow down, Noxtac's filters are designed to separate out the harmful electromagnetic waves while allowing smart devices to continue running as normal.
Doral is, in fact, the first and only smart city in the state of Florida as certified by the World Council on City Data. I don't think anybody would think it's a good idea to just stop the technological advances that are going on. I think the Noxtac solution can help not only the technologies to work better, but to also protect people from any possible health effects that those technologies may bring about. We're very happy to have a company like Noxtac here in the city, which is studying these things and looking for solutions. I'd like to congratulate Noxtac for winning the German Innovation Awards and the Edison Awards, which are very important awards for innovation. Companies like Noxtac are innovative and continue to grow as the city grows.
Electropollution is everywhere, so you can use the technology because with Noxtac is filtering that electropollution. Now I can have a normal life. I sleep better, I feel more comfortable.
We truly believe the coming future is going to be with clean technologies. And we think that with our technology, we can achieve it. And also Noxtac is a solution for hyperconnectivity. 5G is not a problem. And IoT is going to be a reliable connectivity with Noxtech. We have the solution for industrial facilities, for cities, and they can produce a special environments protected from this interference and have a reliable connectivity. Electropollution is everywhere. The good approach is going to be filter this pollution to coexist. It's not a problem that we cannot handle.
We can't fight against technology, and we can use it and coexist in a healthy way using nanotechnology. We are now producing human-friendly technology.
Electrosmog is a dangerous environmental toxin, but with the cooperation of every industry and sector, it can be reduced and completely avoided without making sacrifices. Learn more today about Noxtech. Protect your health from EMF pollution. For more information, visit noxtech.com.